Hello, Namaskar. My name is Balneet Singh Bedi, your Polity, International Relations and Current Affairs faculty. I welcome each one of you to Tathastu Institute of Defense Services. In today's session, we will be discussing one of the most confusing part of geopolitics, that is, what is the difference between LOC, that is line of control, and LAC, that is line of actual control. In today's video, we will be break this up into different parts. For example, the meaning of both, the origin of both, the implications of both, and in order to understand the security challenges which India is facing, understanding the meaning of both these terms is very crucially important for you. So today we will be discussing the entire lines, both of these lines, in a holistic manner. Now let's quickly start today's session. First thing, what is LOC? Now in simple terms, it is the boundary between India and Pakistan. Now if you look here on the map, now this is the boundary between India and Pakistan, and it goes through Jammu and Kashmir, which is now a union territory. So in simple words, LOC क्या है? LOC एक बाउंड्री है इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बीच में, जो कि एक बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट भी है एंड उसी लाइन को वो डिफरेंशिएट दोनों कंट्रीज को करता है. Then comes it emerged after the 1947-48 war. जब इंडिया आजाद हुआ, उसके बाद पाकिस्तान attacked India, and who intervened? United Nations intervened. United Nations intervened and they finalized a ceasefire between both India and Pakistan. Then comes 1971, India, Bangladesh, or we can say Bangladesh Liberation War, जहां पर इंडिया और पाकिस्तान ने शिमला अग्रीमेंट 1972 को साइन किया, एंड देन दे कन्वर्टेड दिस सीज फायर टू LOC. So remember, United Nations ने ceasefire का arrangement किया, and after Shimla Agreement 1972, India Pakistan formally converted this ceasefire to LOC. Right? Then comes the next, nature of LOC. अब कितनी लंबी है ये LOC? We all know it is 740 kilometers long between India and Pakistan. But this is a de facto military border and not a international recognized military boundary. अब unlike LAC, LAC is line of actual control, जो कि अभी हम आने वाले पार्ट की वीडियो में देखेंगे, ये LOC is clearly demarcated. This means that both the countries, India and Pakistan, recognizes this LOC, but LAC का ये मानना नहीं है, which we will be seeing. So it is clearly demarcated on map. Now once more you can have a look here. If you look, this is the LOC between India and Pakistan, right? This is the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and this is Kashmir or Indian administered Kashmir, and this is the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is subdivided into two, that is Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Balochistan region. Then we move to the next, that is what is the military and political significance of both. हमें पता है हेवी मिलिटराइजेशन, उस बॉर्डर पे LOC पे इंडिया की भी काफी ट्रूप्स है, पाकिस्तान की भी काफी ट्रूप्स है, वहां पर क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म होता है, क्रॉस बॉर्डर शेलिंग होती है, as well as infiltration of terrorists from that region, and that has led to famous Pahalgam terror attack on 22nd of April in the Besaran Valley. Then comes what are the examples. अब LOC के disputes कौन-कौन से हुए हैं? Let's take the famous ones, that is Kargil War 1999. We have Uri strike, we have Balakot strike, and we can also say we have Operation Sindoor as well. Then it divides Indian administered Jammu Kashmir from Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which I just told you, which itself is subdivided into two parts, that is Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan region. Then we move to the next, what is the global angle? अब इसको मॉनिटर कौन करता है? तो इसको मॉनिटर करता है यूनाइटेड नेशन मिलिट्री ऑब्जर्वर ग्रुप इन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. बट अगेन ऐसा LAC में नहीं है, राइट? वो बायलेटरली ही उसको उसको मॉनिटर किया जाता है, अनलाइक LOC which is being monitored by United Nations Military Observer Group in India and Pakistan. अब international community, all the Western powers sees this as nuclear flashpoint. Why? Because India and Pakistan both are nuclear country. But as per new security doctrine which has been mentioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the Operation Sindoor, we have clearly mentioned that no more nuclear blackmail. If you're gonna do something wrong, we will hit you back. Then comes the part LAC. अब LAC क्या है? It is the boundary between India and China. Now it came into existence after 1962 Indo-China War. Indo-China War or Sino War as well, right? Then who used this term, line of actual control? So it was the Chinese statesman, Chinese diplomat as well as Chinese revolutionary, that is Ho Enlai, who used this term in 1959, but we rejected it. And after 1962, that is China, declared the entire region or entire area as line of actual control. Now, if we look further, I'll show you the map as well. If we look further, that is the nature of LAC, that is basically 3488 kilometer long, 3488 kilometer long, but चाइना इसमें से सिर्फ 2000 किलोमीटर को ही रिकॉग्नाइज करती है, बाकी का जो 1488 किलोमीटर्स है चाइना सेज हम इसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करते. क्यों? क्योंकि चाइना कहता है लद्दाख हमारा है, एज वेल एज अरुणाचल प्रदेश is also mine, and they called Arunachal Pradesh as South Tibet. South Tibet. अब हमने तो जो बाउंड्री निकाली 3488 किलोमीटर, in that we are including Ladakh, we are including Arunachal Pradesh, but China is saying कि भाई हम 2000 किलोमीटर ही recognize करेंगे and we will not include Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh, rather we declare Arunachal Pradesh as South Tibet. So unlike LOC, LAC is not mutually agreed upon or clearly demarcated on maps. Now you must be understanding, it remains vague, fluid and subject to different perceptions. China का एक अलग perception है, India का एक अलग perception है. Then we move to the next, that is western sectors. First you have a look here. This is the western sectors, the Aksai Chin part, which is a part of India. So this is the western sector, which is of 1570 kilometers. Then comes the central part, the central sector, which is for around 540 kilometers. अब इसमें क्या क्या include होता है? हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड region. यहाँ पर क्या include होता है? लद्दाख and Jammu and Kashmir region. We also say Aksai Chin, which has been gifted to China by Pakistan. Aksai Chin is our part. Then we look at the eastern sector, which is around 1300 kilometers. This is the Arunachal Pradesh eastern sector, which is around 1300 kilometers, as China claims that entire Arunachal Pradesh is ours, entire Ladakh is ours, and it has declared Arunachal Pradesh as South Tibet. So western sector, Ladakh, Aksai Chin, but China controls it. Middle sector, Himachal and Uttarakhand. Minor disputes over here. Eastern sector, Arunachal Pradesh. Entire Arunachal as South Tibet. So I hope with the diagrams it is much more clear to you. Then comes कि यहाँ पे भी frequent face off होते हैं, जो recent था बेटा. We all know Galwan Valley clashes 2020, and since then, since 2019, Modi ji did not travel to China, but due to this SCO summit which took place in Tianjin, he went to China to meet the Chinese President Xi Jinping. Then we look at the example, Nathula clash, Somdurungju standoff, Doklam standoff, that is 2017, and Galwan Valley clash 2020. अब दोनों पार्टीज ने, इंडिया ने भी, चाइना ने भी बहुत बार अग्रीमेंट साइन किए 1993, 96, 2005, 2013 में, so that we have more peace sort of arrangement in our border disputes. But the violations has been continued. But if we compare LOC and LAC, LAC is more peaceful as compared to the line of control, which is more disputed region. Then we look at the global angle. If you look at जो भी इंडिया चाइना की राइवलरी है, इससे बच्चे क्या इफेक्ट होगा? इससे क्वाड इज फॉर इंडो पैसिफिक स्टेबिलिटी. वी हैव इंडिया, जापान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. देन वी हैव ब्रिक्स, ऑल द इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमीज, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia. All of these are the member. Then Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit. As I've told you, Tianjin, our honorable PM has went to Tianjin to participate in that, and definitely G20. अब India, China जिस भी organization के member होंगे, they will have little sour relations and not the positive ones. अब US, Japan, Australia, EU, they openly support India's support. They support India कि भाई border violate कर रहा है China, and India is supporting its stance on the same. Then if we look further, okay, just here, just a look, this is Namchuk, this is Sumdongra, this is Asafila, just a rough idea about the places of the standoff between India and China. Then if we move forward, we will quickly revise the difference between LOC and LAC. Now if we look at the length, I told you 740 kilometers, this is 3488 kilometers. The origin, the war, when we got independence, Pakistan attacked India, UN ceasefire arrangement, Shimla agreement 1972, हमने ceasefire को transform कर दिया in the LOC. Then 1962 war, legal status, it is demarcated on maps. LOC, दोनों पार्टी agree करती हैं, but यहाँ पर दोनों की mutually agreement नहीं है. It is not demarcated on map, it is still violative in nature. Ceasefire agreement, border agreement, यहाँ पे infiltration होता है, terrorism होता है, cross border firing होती है, we all know, Jammu and Kashmir disputes, and यहाँ पर military के build-ups हैं, infrastructure की रेस है. That means कि इंडिया भी बहुत infrastructure build कर रहा है near the border, and China is also building lot of good infrastructure over there. But recently, as External Affairs Minister Subramaniam Jaishankar has said that China is expecting a elephant dragon tango, which means कि जो भी हमारे बीच की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं हम उनको सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं, हम अपने बॉर्डर्स को डीमिलिटराइज करते हैं, आप अपनी आर्मी लेके जाओ, हम अपनी आर्मी लेके जाते हैं, and let's make this relation more peaceful. Then comes the role of United Nations Military Observer Group. It monitors the ceasefire. यहाँ पर कोई UN का रोल नहीं है. They both handle it bilaterally. And last, it is a nuclear conflict between India and Pakistan, but here it is a part of global rivalry, and it is India versus China in the Indo-Pacific region. Then we look at the next, that is the broader perspectives. For India, what does it represent? LOC represent terrorism, security threat from the Pakistan. But here it represents the strategic rivalry with China and the threat to sovereignty. For the world, what does it mean? कि भाई both countries are nuclear powers and there might be escalation of nuclear problems. But LAC say that US China की rivalry and definitely Indo-Pacific की instability भी होगी. Then LOC is more about settled demarcation but unsettled relation. LOC को clearly demarcate तो हमने map पे किया है, but India Pakistan are not having good relations. And LAC, it is about unsettled demarcation and rising uncertainty between the both countries. So with this, in one line I can conclude, India has to deal with both the neighbors, the Pakistan as well as China, and India is in the crux of two-front dilemma. India is facing two-front dilemma from the Pakistan side, and here LAC, that is the China side. So I hope with this, the clear demarcation between LOC, that is line of control, and LAC, line of actual control, has been cleared to you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.